I bought 2 cooler bags from Amazon to see which one would be better for things like baseball games. And this one is the Maelstrom. It is rather large. You can read the dimensions in the description, but just for reference, here is my arm. I am 5'3". It has some really nice features that I liked. You can see on the side it cinches. This I didn't care for, but it is to hook carabiners to, or your sunglasses, whatever. This can fit maybe a sweater or something. It zips. It has a zip pocket here. You can see it's pretty big. The same thing on the other side. It has a cinch pocket, and then also a strap in case you want to put something taller. They show a wine bottle. You can see the top lid has a mesh bag that unzips, so you can put things in there. On the top here, it unzips, and you can put stuff inside. It is not the same material that's on the inside as far as the cooling material, but it is like a nice kind of waterproof type material, so something you want to access easily. The thing that I didn't want with this is it's designed for sort of a picnic thing, which is nice, but inside this large pocket you have a place to attach plates here. You can see, and utensils go in these little pockets right here, these little retainers, and down there are pockets to hold them further. So that's nice if you're taking this hiking and you think you're going to have a little picnic. That's a really great feature, but not one I was looking for. The bottom, I just want to note, is a thicker, more durable material, which is great for when you're putting it down somewhere that might be a little rough on the bottom of the bag. I'm going to flip it over and show you what's also nice that I liked about this. You can see the S-shaped straps. They're ergonomic, so really nice and comfortable to wear. A hook right here, so you can hook some things onto that. Very adjustable. It has the chest strap, which I really liked. It does not have a waist strap, but the chest strap is helpful. A lot of these cooler bags have the bottle opener, and this one looks pretty sturdy. I had read reviews of others breaking quickly. This one looks sturdy. It has a handle that seems fairly sturdy for picking it up this way, but as you can see, it is very large. So that's really a nice feature if you have a big family or a big party that you're taking out and you want to be able to store food for a lot of people or cold things. This other brand is the TOURIT, and the TOURIT has less features, but it is smaller and for my purposes might be better. But the top is the insulated material, no zip pocket. On the top of the outside, there is a zip pocket. It is a smaller one, but it's a nice pocket. I like it. The front has also a zip envelope pocket right here, so that's nice. This pocket is a regular pocket. It has a zipper inside. It also, you can't really see, but it has mesh right there. This is durable, but not the same insulated material that's inside, so I don't think it's going to keep anything cold, but it will protect things. The sides, there is no cinch on the mesh, so that's a little disconcerting because things that don't fit fall out, in my experience. The straps are kind of slightly shaped. They also have the bottle opener. It is in plastic. It seems it's a different material, maybe not as sturdy as this one over here. And I just want to note too, You can see the mesh breathability and padding in these straps. These also have it, but they're black. And this one, the Maelstrom, has shoulder blade pads and a lower back pad. And I'm sure if you looked at the pictures, you saw this lower back pad has a zipper pocket, which is super cool if you wanted to put some valuables in there that you didn't want to make sure did not fall out. So that's really great. This one has a little pickup handle as well. It's not as large and doesn't seem as sturdy, but it is similar webbing material. This one has a little zipper pocket on the strap, and it's mesh on the side, so possibly could tear easily. I don't know. But it's a nice zipper pocket to stick, you know, I don't know, your hand lotion, your hand sanitizer, whatever. And there are no chest straps and no waist strap with this one. The inside material seems fairly similar. Let's take a look. Now I think that this material in the Maelstrom is a bit, yeah, it's definitely thicker. This is a thicker layer of silver lining, so probably a little more durable, and that is the main differences I can see. But as you can see side by side, the TOURIT, even though it is folded in a bit, it's smaller and less features. So Maelstrom, if you're listening, make something smaller. TOURIT, if you're listening, upgrade your side pockets. Give me a few more bells and whistles, you know, thicker material. Okay, I know this has been long, but I'm hoping this will help someone because I needed help when I was looking, and I think I still need help.
What you're looking at is where the all of this pulled. That's me putting duct tape on there, just trying to make something work. But all of that pulled loose of the threading in there. And the reason it happened is because this part here gets caught up and folded into the zipper if you're not super careful. This part, yeah, I don't know. I'm not buying this design again, that's for sure. I mean, the bag, there's nothing else wrong with it. Just that. It's a very poor design. This thing is so flimsy here that it folds. I don't know. I'm sorry I'm doing such a bad video. But yeah, this part folds and gets caught up in the damn zipper.